How to fix call failed on iPhone iOS 26. If your iPhone shows call failed after updating to iOS 26, it usually means there is a network, carrier, or software issues. So here's what you can do. First of all, check your network signal. Make sure you have cellular reception. Simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and try switching airplane mode on and off. Then try restarting your iPhone. Once done, so all you have to do is go to the home screen and tap on the settings app available there. Once you tap on the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the about at the top, and if a carrier update is available, you will see a prompt saying tap update. So simply update it if there is any carrier update available. Now once you do so, go back to the settings general again. Once there, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Once there, tap on the reset option available. Then tap on the reset network settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.